All right, good morning. Welcome back to the Bernhardt Bayit. Today we are doing some challah French toast, which is a great way to use up day-old to two-day-old challah. And if you're like me, you're trying to clear out that freezer space, I have a stockpile of challah that I'm trying to use up before Passover. Challah French toast is super easy, and it's one of the great ways that you can use up old challah. Also, bread pudding, stuffing, easy. So you just need your basic egg mixture, which is about a cup of milk, 2 eggs, a little bit of brown sugar, and some cinnamon, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And all you do is you just dunk your challah into your egg mixture, put it in your pan, and let it go until it's nice and crispy and golden brown. And then you've got your delicious breakfast. All right, well, it's been a few minutes and our challah French toast is golden brown, and I served it up with some strawberries. Looks like I'm ready for breakfast. Hope that your challah French toast turns out delicious, and enjoy. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me.